Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to compare multiple symbols side by side in TradingView, so you can easily spot connections, relationships, or trends across different stocks, cryptos, forex pairs, whatever you want. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to build your own custom comparison chart in TradingView, turning messy data into easy-to-read insights in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. So let's say you're looking at Tesla's chart, analyzing how it's doing, but maybe you're curious, how does Tesla's price action stack up next to something totally different like Bitcoin or the EUR-USD Forex pair? TradingView lets you add as many symbols as you want to your chart for direct comparison. First things first, look for the little plus sign that sits right next to the symbol search box at the top of your chart. Click that plus sign. This opens up the Add Symbol window. For example, let's type in Bitcoin, so type BTCUSD and select it. Right away, Bitcoin's price line appears layered right over Tesla's chart. It's a really cool way to see at a glance whether they move in sync when they diverge or any weird outliers that pop up. Now you're not limited to just two symbols. You can keep going and compare as many as you need. Let's add EUR-USD as well. Just click the plus sign again, type EUR-USD and click it. Each symbol will show up as its own colored line, making it super easy to tell them apart. In practice, you might add stocks from the same industry, different sectors, or even totally unrelated assets. Sometimes you'll discover correlations you would have never predicted. For example, maybe gold and Tesla show some unexpected similarities during certain market cycles. Alright, so now we've got all our symbols on the chart, but by default, you might see them showing as candlesticks stacked on each other, which can get confusing real fast. A better way to compare is by switching the chart style to a line chart for each symbol. This makes everything easier to read. Just look for the chart type icon at the top. It probably looks like a candlestick by default. Click it and select Line. Instantly, all your symbols update to simple, clean lines. If for some reason switching the main chart type doesn't update all the symbols, you can change each one by clicking on their legends. Now let's refine the chart further with some crucial settings tweaks. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Settings from the menu that pops up. This brings up a window. Next, go over to the Scales and Lines tab. On the left, find the section labeled Symbol. This controls what information is shown for each symbol. Here's a tip: under Value, enable it to display the actual price values alongside each line. This is important because when you're comparing, say, a $1,000 stock and a $20 crypto coin, seeing their individual values helps everything make sense. While you're here, also check the box for Name. That way, each colored line on your chart clearly shows which symbol it represents. No more guessing or mixing things up when you're staring at a busy chart. Take a look. Now you've built a neat little comparison chart. You can immediately see which assets are surging, lagging, or pulling away from the pack. It's like having a multi-lane racetrack for your investments, where you can cheer on your favorites and keep an eye on the competition. So that's it. You've just learned how to compare any and all symbols in TradingView like a pro. It's a powerful tool, and once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever analyzed the markets without it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop them in the comments. I always do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.